Hi, I'm John Abrahams, co-founder of Hiplock, and I'm going to talk to you today about how to fit your Hiplock jaw to your wall. When drilling into any wall, always use appropriate safety equipment such as goggles. Check for hidden pipes or wires behind the wall. Ensure the substrate material is of good quality. The tools you're going to need are an 8mm masonry bit, a drill, a screwdriver, and something to mark the wall. For vertical storage, make sure you position the jaw in the centre of the front wheel when it's lifted up onto the wall. For horizontal storage, install the jaw at the height at the centre of the axle of the rear wheel. To fit to the wall, hold up the base plate and mark 4 holes on the wall. Drill the 4 holes and tap in the rawl plugs. Screw the base plate into the wall, push in the adjuster tabs and slide in the wheel holders. To adjust the wheel holders, press both adjuster tabs and slide the wheel holder. The wheel holders want to be slightly narrower than the width of the tyre. To store the bike vertically, push the back wheel onto the wall, then the front wheel into the jaw. For added stability and security, use a Z-Lock or Z-Lock combo around the front wheel. Thanks for watching. For more videos, check this out on our YouTube channel, and safe riding.